Here we are again. Using the greenhouses for different types of plant these days. I got the restoration projects over there, and I've just been working on this Priestman Mustang model in 1/32 scale. It's equally as good as the iMac that came out recently. It comes in a few little, so about 6-7 pieces, with the boom. You can slide with the boom, slide along there. You can alter the boom. She's just had a first coat of orange paint. The run-in gear is equally detailed as the last iMac model. So this is 1/32 scale. So I'm just doing the final touches on there. This fantastic group of welcomed models, because we've been waiting for these classic plant ones for years and years and years. To be honest, I got jealous with Darren Fowler's models. He does such a fantastic job, and these production ones now are really good. It didn't take long to do. I constructed in the first way as the last one. Was using little sprues of plastic, and I warm them up to sort of mushroom them over like a rivet almost. So that does the job for them. Obviously the glazing comes with the cab, so that'll be the last thing to glaze the cab out and fit the decals. Comes with some good quality slide on water slide decals. So I'm pretty pleased with this. Again, another good one. Just touch a bit there. That's it. Yeah, the track detail is good. The model itself, you know, I like the shape of the Mustangs actually. I was never really fussy with Priestman. I'm a 1RB and a drop man, to be honest. But I do like the Priestman Mustangs. I've only ever worked on 2 in my working career, and that was years ago. But they were a good machine in their day. A friend, Fred Evans, had a couple of them around here, I believe. Well, Fred's passed away now, but he loved his Priestmans. So just waiting now for this to dry out, to put the final coat on. Leave it dry overnight, and I'll glaze the cab, and the windows, they'll be fitted, and a couple of things, and some detail, and paint in the seat and whatever, and hydraulic hoses and the exhaust silencer. But all in all, she's good. She even got Priestman embossed into the counterweight at the back there, so it's a really good touch. So fair dues to Theo. He did a good job, mate. Did a good job here, and I'm looking forward to the next suggestion that I put forward, which is the International Draught, which I think will prove popular as well. So I gave him a list of ones to do, so he seems to be working through the list. But fair dues to the boys, doing a good job, and I'm happy with this. So till next time, I'll put some photographs of the finished model up to sometime. But yeah, you can put them together quite easily. They come in where the track frame comes in 3 parts, 2 tracks, and the cross member cab obviously on its own. The dipper comes separate, but there's a 2-piece boom, as I said. You can slide it to those holes there if you wanted to, but I put them out as maximum, and that's basically it. So so there's how many parts of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, including the glazing. So not bad. I put this together in a very short time. As soon as I come through with the post this morning. It was worked on, so this is the greenhouses these days. They tend to be used for plant. I got all my Caterpillar 951 stuff over there, seat and all that. I'll get back on that shortly with some new armrests, and get back onto my 12 inches to the foot project. So till next time, bye.